Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Moneyme application on your smartphone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open your App Store or your Play Store. In the search box appearing at the top, type in Moneyme. In the search results displayed on the next page, look for this application that says Moneyme, loans, credit cards, and more. Now, tap on the Get button to start downloading the application. If you're using Android, tap on the Install button to begin downloading the app. Moneyme is an Australian-based fintech company that offers personal loans and other financial products primarily through an online platform. Once the application is downloaded, launch it open, and that is how you can easily download Moneyme application on your device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.